गार्ड आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है।
Beautiful experience with all the tradition and breathing hymns. So I am very impressed with this tradition. It has been an experience in my lifetime experience, and I will come back here again. And may God bless you all. May Narasimha Devta bless all of you and bless whole of Telangana. Keep the people happy. Sarve Bhavantu. Sab sukhi rahe.